In this lesson, we're focusing on respiration. I'll explain what respiration really means, the different types of respiration, and why it's essential for living organisms. We'll go through it step by step, so by the end of this lesson, respiration should be clear and easy to remember. Respiration is the process by which living organisms release energy from food. This energy is needed for growth, movement, repair, and other life processes. It's important not to confuse respiration with breathing. Breathing is just the movement of air in and out of the lungs, while respiration is a chemical process that happens inside cells. There are two main types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. In this process, glucose reacts with oxygen to produce energy. This type of respiration releases a large amount of energy, which makes it very efficient. It takes place mainly in the mitochondria of cells. Aerobic respiration is common in plants, animals, and humans. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. It releases less energy compared to aerobic respiration. In animals, including humans, anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid and energy. This often happens during vigorous exercise when the body cannot supply enough oxygen to the muscles. In plants and yeast, anaerobic respiration produces alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy. Respiration is important because it provides energy for movement, supports growth, and repair, helps maintain body temperature, allows all life processes to continue. Without respiration, living organisms would not survive. Thank you for watching. This lesson is from Lebanna Academy, where we focus on clear explanations and real understanding. If you'd like more lessons, practice, and guided support, you can chat the admin using the WhatsApp link in the comments. We'll be happy to support your learning.